I am artisan.
2,000 years later.
Oh my god, it's so tough. Half circle. Or if you have a big ruler, that would be very helpful. Eraser and a sharpener. So today I'll be teaching you how to use these two tools from the scratch. So over here, you need to just put this inside it. Always try to take a smaller pencil, that will give you better grip. Okay, you will keep it on the table or on the book and just tight it. Okay, it should not move. See, it should not move. Okay, so this is done. First thing first, in mandala, it's very important that your design is exactly in the center of your book. Okay, so this book is almost, this is 21 cm. Yeah, this is 21 cm. So half of 21 cm is 10.5. So I'll keep my zero margin over here and make a dot at 10.5 cm. Again, after leaving certain space, you will again make a dot at 10.5 cm. Again over here, 10.5 cm. Okay. Then we are going to join this. Match these dots very carefully. Make sure your pencil is sharp enough and do all this stuff really light. So even if you make any mistake, you can easily erase and move ahead. If you press your pencil too much, then there are chances that the markings will be there. Okay, this is done. I will just check the measurement of this one, 50. So I'll take the middle part of this side. One first point, second point. As I have a small ruler, so I'll be making 3 dots to connect. Just little down. You need to be very careful. Okay. Use a bigger ruler, that will be very helpful and easy to use. Okay. We are done. We got the center point. Now, this is a half circle, also known as protractor. If you can see, there is a line standing and the sleeping line meeting somewhere. Okay, there will be something like this, right? Exactly at that point where the standing line is meeting the sleeping line, you will coincide this dot. Are you getting it? I will coincide this dot. You need to be very focused. Okay? Now, see here. Just a second, I'm just matching the lines well. Yeah, so this standing line will coincide with this 90 degree. The sleeping line will coincide with 180 degree. Okay, that's it done. Yeah. Now you're going to make dot at 10 degrees, 170, 160, 150, 140, 130, 120, 110, 100, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Okay, we are going to extend the same line in the bottom, so that's fine. Okay, first I always prefer to make the circles, so I will get to know till where I have to make the line. So this is going to be a very simple grid. We will be making circles at 1 cm. So who doesn't know how to use this? This is the zero margin. We will always keep this point at 0 and then we will keep on changing this pencil one. Okay. So first I will need to take 1 cm. So keep it like this. Keep it stable and then move your pencil. Now it's 1, correct? You are not supposed to hold it here. You're supposed to always hold it here and move. Okay. When you are making a smaller circle, it will happen that your circular will move from the center. First, make a center properly. Yeah, it's there. Now, okay, 1 cm done. Now you will just keep 0 there and move your pencil to 2 cm. All right, done. Now again make a circle at 2 cm. Move your pencil to 3 cm. Make it lighter, okay? So if you do any mistake, you can easily erase it. Move it to 4 cm. Move it to 5 cm. Okay, move it to 6 cm. You need to be very much accurate and move it to 7 cm. Move it to 8 cm. Move it to 9 cm. Okay, and you are done with it. Okay, the circles are done. Now I will be taking this. So basically, I need to join this center point to this dot. Okay, and I have to make it till the last circle only. So always make a small line and see is it going or not. Yeah, this is also working out. So I will start here and I will go till here. Then I'm going to extend the same line in the same angle. Yeah, it's right. Done. Okay, so if you have a small scale, you can do it in this way. If you have a big scale, you can do it in one go. No problem at all. Make it lighter because many a times we erase these lines after making the design. A very slight here and there is okay, no problem at all. Okay, that's little moved. See, whenever you realize you are wrong, just quickly fix it. That's better. Okay, I need to move a little. Just move it a little bit. So here we go. We are ready with this grid. I hope you understood how to make this very simple mandala grid. If you have any question regarding this mandala grid, please write down in the comment box. And if you want to learn something else like mandala, floral art, or specific any scenery, just mention in the comment box. I will surely make video on it. Thank you so much. God bless you all.